just characterize the quarter and the 9 months for us and tell us what you see ahead for the coming quarter.
Yes, happy to do so. Good morning, and I hope you and your family are well. Well, 9 months profits doubled indeed. A key driver of that has been gas business, especially in the first quarter, where we were able to match supply and demand in a very volatile but also partially trending markets. Also had good generation results. There we benefited from forward hedging and therefore were quite immune to the volatilities we had in the power markets. So now in reaching the full year targets, which we have confirmed once again and which we have never taken down in spite of COVID, we practically need to get to the midpoint of the external range, around 500 million in operating profit in the fourth quarter. And when you look at the last years, 2018, 2019, that is not an unreasonable level at all. So we're pretty confident to meet the guidance and therefore conclude the year even above the 2019 level.
Looking at the commentary that you offered this morning, as your CEO offered in the release, your generation portfolio in Europe is set to be carbon neutral by 2035 and looking to exit coal-fired power generation across Europe by 2038 at the latest. What's a more optimistic scenario, and has the environment changed at all now that we're looking at a U.S. president and U.S. administration that is expected to be more climate change friendly than the previous?
I think, if anything, the current events in the United States strengthen existing trends and expectations, i.e., for quite some time, society, customers, but also shareholders have given very, very clear messages that over time they expect a portfolio with much lower CO2 emissions. Politicians are also upping their games. So we have a very clear coal exit plan in Germany, taking out a lot of capacity. We have clear discussions in the Netherlands and in the UK. So our portfolio will change dramatically, also not just in the long run, but in the next years to come. So 2038 is really the very latest. It may well be somewhat earlier.